Moving towards the next speaker. Our next speaker is Zahra Fatma from Habib Girls School.
Ladies and gentlemen, judges and esteemed guests, today I sit before you to echo a truth that is often neglected. The fate of our future rests in the choices we make today. Because a healthy beginning should not be a luxury. It is a necessity. It is the foundation upon which hopeful futures are built. But how can we ensure that every family, every child, and every community is granted this essential foundation? As the great Nelson Mandela once said, there can be no keener revelation of a society's soul than the way in which it treats its children. Take a moment to close your eyes. Imagine a newborn, innocent and full of promise. However, that potential withers in the absence of proper medical care, a healthy diet, and a supportive environment. Imagine a young woman navigating the challenges of parenthood all alone, feeling anxious and unsupported. Imagine communities without access to basic medical needs, clean water, or sanitary facilities. These are not far-flung situations. These are the harsh realities for millions of people all over the world. But there is hope. There are solutions, practical, actionable, and powerful. First, we must prioritize maternal and child health care. Governments must expand access to paternal care, ensuring mothers receive adequate nutrition, medical checkups, and education on child development. Community health programs and mobile clinics can also reach those in the most remote areas, bridging the gap of inequity. Second, we must invest in nutrition and clean water. Malnutrition continues to steal futures before they have a chance to begin. Supplementary feeding programs and sanitation projects break cycles of diseases and malnourishment, because when we nourish a child, we nourish a future. Third, education must be a non-negotiable right. Quality early childhood education shapes the cognitive and emotional part of the brain of a child. Providing schools with resources, training educators, and encouraging parental involvement ensures that every child has a fair start. And fourth, mental health must not be ignored. Parents and children alike need support systems, counseling services, community wellness programs, and mental health education empowers families to grow resilient and thrive. And finally, we must advocate. Policies must shift. Budgets must reflect priorities. Each of us has a voice, and when we demand change, we create it. Because privilege does not limit to healthy beginnings, and we start a chain reaction of hope when we pledge to take care of our kids, help our moms, and strengthen our communities. A future where dreams are realized, potential is fulfilled, and societies flourish. Let us stand united in this mission. For healthy beginnings create hopeful futures. The time for change is now, and it starts with me and you. It starts with us. Thank you.